गिरेस्त मनशाक रेशनाची गरज ना, ताका लागून तांचे रेशन कार्ड रद्द करून आता अशा मनशांक ग्रीन कार्ड दिवपाचे सरकारान येवजिला। हातूंतल्यान सरकार फकत कांय लोकांचीच उदरगत करपाक सोदता काय कितें असो प्रश्न काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी कार्लोस फॉरेरान केला। भाजपाचे सरकार सेन्सस कायद्याचे नेम मोडून खाजगी रित्या सेन्ससाचो डेटा चोरपाचे कारस्थान करता असोय आरोप कार्लोसान केला।
ग्रीन कार्ड काडटात म्हणून What is the purpose of a green card? The purpose of a green card is clearly stated. You will get no benefit of the green card to avail of any ration or facilities. तुका benefit ना जाल्यार कसलो फायदो ration green card करपाक? I will call this green card a bogus ATM card. कित्याक हे फोटे पैसे एश कोन दितात तेश कोन which has no value. This is what you are giving to the people. But it is dangerous. Dangerous कित्याक ते तुगे डेटा कलेक्ट कोतले, तुगे कितले फॅमिली, तुगे एज, तूं कित कोत्तात सगळे डेटा कोतले. This will be a collection drive by the BJP to find out indirectly the census which you have no access to. Because under Census Act, information under Census Act cannot be given, it is confidential. And kaidani, if you give it, information is leaked, you can be prosecuted for it. So this is a backdoor manner to get sagle detail card back, just like the Gestapo was collecting all intelligence, Nazi Hitler was collecting all intelligence and then marking each one. You are with me or you are not with me. Your brother is with me, your family is not with me. Like this it will go on. This is identification of every individual, which will be completely to segregate people and then probably to say, oh amso ni mono. And this way they will not do equitable development, but they will do selective favoritism or selective development of a few.